how to download and install AnyDesk on Windows. So if you want to download and install AnyDesk on your Windows, then first check your internet connection and then open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Once you're on the browser, you just need to go for the search and search for AnyDesk download. And here you will have AnyDesk websites, right? So you just need to go for the trusted website, go for the first website, and once you go for the AnyDesk website, now here you will have download now option, right? So if you want to download it for the Windows, then choose Windows, or if you are using Mac, then use or simply select the Mac, or Android, iOS, Apple TV, Linux, and everything. You will have all of these options. So I'll be choosing Windows and then go for download now. And you need to enter your email address, or you can also skip all of these pads. And once you click on download, now here on the upper right side you will have the download options. Go for the download and go for full download history, and here you will have it set up, right? So double click on it. So once you double click on it, here you will have install AnyDesk. Click on that option, and here you need to go for accept and install. Once you go for accept and install, your installation will start and your AnyDesk will be installed. So that's how you can download and install AnyDesk on your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.